Listen to me, Liv. Just let it go. That's none of your business.
And you really can't tell me what this button does?
No.
Okay.
I wasn't supposed to press that for 6 minutes.
You didn't tell me I was gonna turn the city off.
I wasn't supposed to tell anyone anything.
Okay, Sophie, so you just decide to leave a nuclear launch code briefcase on your bed?
I didn't.
Who is that?
We're screwed. Oh my God. It's just my mom.
Who is this?
Give me the phone.
Did you give Satan my number?
Give me the phone. Hello?
You pushed the button early. The operation was a failure. If the cops don't find you, we will.
Oh, well, maybe next time. Be sure to keep me in mind for all of your technology disruption needs. We're gonna die. Look, I know I messed up here. I didn't mean to drag you around. I needed some money, and I saw this ad. All I had to do was press a button, and some guy was gonna give me $5,000. I didn't want you to get involved, and I definitely didn't think it would do this. Liv, I'm sorry for keeping you in the dark all the time.